Welcome to Boardwalk Condos. The Boardwalk Condo building was originally constructed as a furniture factory in 1892. When the option of electricity became available, the factory received a facelift and various additions were made to the property. However, by 1954, the building had become empty and unused. In 2001, the building underwent a major facelift, receiving $35 million in renovations that transformed it into the popular condo complex that it is today. The windows, the plumbing, and all heating and cooling systems were all revamped as part of this extensive renovation project. Boardwalk Condos are now a highly sought-after residence thanks to the building's prime location and updated features. Boardwalk Condos are located on the northwest side of Grand Rapids, making it possible to catch a glimpse of the gorgeous Michigan sunsets. The outdoor pool and jacuzzi are two of the additional amenities that allow residents to enjoy the great outdoors. Some of the condos in this building are facing a center courtyard and have attached balconies that overlook a pool area or a forest area. The common rooftop deck is a great place to see killer sunsets and views of the city that you could see for miles. If you're looking for a luxurious and convenient place to call home, Boardwalk Condos should definitely be at the top of your list.